Deep in the heart of the Whispering Woods stood an old, dilapidated cabin, its walls draped in ivy and its windows boarded up as if to keep the outside world at bay. Local legends spoke of the cabin as cursed, a place where darkness and despair intertwined like the gnarled roots of the ancient trees that surrounded it. One fateful night, a group of adventurous friends decided to test their courage and spend the night in the infamous cabin. Sarah, the brave leader of the group, rallied her friends Alex, Mia, and Jake, convincing them that it would be an unforgettable experience. As they approached the cabin, the air grew thick with an unnatural chill, and the rustling leaves seemed to whisper ominous secrets. Ignoring their growing unease, they entered the cabin, their flashlights cutting through the darkness like feeble beacons of hope. The interior was musty and decrepit, with furniture covered in dusty sheets and cobwebs clinging to every corner. Sarah declared that they should split up to explore the cabin, hoping to uncover any hidden mysteries within its walls. Reluctantly, the group agreed, each taking a different part of the cabin to investigate. Mia wandered into the kitchen, her footsteps echoing on the creaky floorboards. As she opened a cabinet, a rat scurried out, sending her shrieking into the arms of Alex, who had rushed to investigate the commotion. Laughing nervously, they decided to check the basement next. Meanwhile, Sarah and Jake ventured upstairs, their hearts pounding in anticipation of what they might find. They entered a dusty bedroom, its windows covered in grime, casting eerie shadows across the room. Sarah noticed an old diary on the bedside table, its pages yellowed with age. Curiosity piqued. She began to read aloud entries detailing strange occurrences in the cabin, whispers in the night, and a feeling of being watched. Down in the basement, Mia and Alex stumbled upon an old chest hidden beneath a tattered rug. With trembling hands, they opened it to reveal a collection of eerie artifacts: a cracked porcelain doll with missing eyes, a tarnished pocket watch frozen at midnight, and a faded photograph of a family with hollow eyes staring back at them. As Sarah read on, the whispers they had heard outside seemed to grow louder, as if the very walls of the cabin were speaking to them. Jake nervously suggested they leave, but Sarah was determined to unravel the mystery once and for all. Suddenly, a chilling wail pierced the air, causing them all to freeze in terror. Mia and Alex raced upstairs to find Sarah and Jake, only to discover the diary clutched tightly in Sarah's hands as she muttered incoherently, her eyes wide with fear. The whispers crescendoed into menacing voices, taunting and threatening the group. Shadows danced malevolently around them, and a cold wind whipped through the cabin, extinguishing their flashlights one by one. Panic set in as they realized they were not alone. The darkness itself seemed to hunger for their fear.